Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how speed limits function on Tesla vehicles. Understanding these limits is crucial for safe and informed driving. Tesla cars are designed with sophisticated software that sets maximum speeds, ensuring both driver safety and adherence to various regulations. These limits are a core part of the vehicle's engineering, providing a secure and controlled driving experience for everyone on the road. Several factors contribute to how a Tesla's speed limit is determined. For instance, the specific software version installed on your vehicle, alongside regional traffic laws, plays a significant role. Even the battery's charge level and temperature can temporarily affect the car's peak performance and available speed. Furthermore, advanced driver assist systems are programmed to always respect and operate within these established speed parameters. When it comes to performance, different Tesla models are designed with distinct top speeds. For example, some of the high-performance variants are capable of reaching speeds well over 150 miles per hour. It's important to remember that these impressive maximums are carefully set by the factory during manufacturing, ensuring optimal performance while maintaining safety and reliability within the vehicle's intended operational limits. Regarding safety, attempting to alter or bypass a Tesla's factory-set speed limits is not recommended. Such unauthorized modifications can introduce significant safety hazards, potentially compromising the vehicle's integrity and its advanced safety features. Moreover, making these kinds of changes could invalidate your vehicle's warranty. Always prioritize safe driving, respect the car's design, and adhere to all traffic regulations for a secure experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.